quick vid on how to use a stud finder. This one here is a Franklin one from Bunnings. It's got a ruler here with measurements. It's got a bubble level, and this works for wood and metal. So you just hold it up to your wall, press the button, and there's our stud. So where it lights up, it's detecting a stud. It detects the stud through changes in the density of the wall, and then also if it's metal through, you know, magnets. I don't know, science, I don't understand all that, but basically if it lights up, there's a stud. Boom, too easy. Now this is where our stud is, so we're just going to drill straight in.